Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl LuxeBri Nicole, aka LuxeBri Nicole. If you are new to my channel, make sure you stop what you are doing, subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends, your family, your dog. If you don't have none of that, then I'm so happy that you clicked on this video today. And if you are returning to my channel, y'all already know what's up. Y'all already know the vibes. So thank you for returning. Y'all already know. Period. So y'all, I have some exciting news. So I just dropped my t-shirts on my website. If you don't know what I do, who I am, what's going on, I am the CEO of Allure Line. And you can find the link in the description box below. It's unisex fashion, luxe accessories. Just go ahead, check it out. And I'm sure you will find something that you like. But anyway, I decided to add some t-shirts to my business. And basically what that is a print on demand. And I am an affiliate with Printful. So down below, you can use my link. Check it out if you want to create your own product, start your own business. I can get more into details in another video. But that's what is going on, and that's what I've been doing. So I just got my sample shirt from one of my shirts that's on my website, and this is just going to be a review. It's not going to be an unboxing because I already opened it, but it's just going to be a review of how I like the product and everything. So I'm just going to show y'all. Printful also allows you to be as creative as you want to be. Basically, it gives you a template, an empty canvas, and it just allows you to be Picasso. Like, go crazy. Do whatever is in your head is literally could be manifested in the physical. So, definitely get on that. So the product that I am reviewing today is called Unisex Gildan Soft Style T-shirt. And this t-shirt comes in a variety of colors and sizes from small to 3X. All right, y'all. So, ooh, I got an eyelash stuck to the shirt. Okay, guys, so let me show y'all the packaging first. So I'm gonna, block it out or whatever, my address. But this is how the packaging looks. It's really, yes, okay, you see. So it has, so it has my brand name right there, and they put your address and USPS and stuff like that. It's coming from Allure Line boutique. Once it pops up at your door, you already know who it's from, so there's no worries on that. So you can put your brand name on that just like that. And let me show y'all the design that I made. So it's this. And I have this also, my brand in the tag area. So the first thing we're going to talk about is printing. So the way the shirt is made, overall, I would give the printing a 9 out of 10. I would. Like, it's really clear. It's so like vibrant. The colors are so vibrant in the shirt, and this looked like it will last a long time after a couple washes, honestly. But honestly, I am in love. I am in love. The only thing, I just wish it was placed a little bit higher, and that was my fault. And I went back and I changed it. But yeah, I just wished it was just a little bit higher. But other than that, I will give the printing a 9 out of 10. And also, like right here, I could tell that I'm gonna have to change this because like I feel like it's gonna, like this is gonna fade faster. I feel like rather than the front page. But yeah, overall, I will give the printing a 9 out of 10. Okay, so let's talk about the product quality. So this shirt, as you can see, is made of 100% ring spun cotton. Now, what that means is basically, y'all, this shirt was made from scratch, all right? So they took some thin yarn that is made of cotton fibers, which is strong and durable, and it'll make your shirt last for a very long time. Here at Allureline, what my main concern is I want to make sure that I am providing top quality products for my customers, and if I'm putting y'all on, then I want to make sure that you have top quality products for your business and for your clientele. So honestly, I will give the product quality a 10 out of 10. I love that it's 100% cotton because, you know, in the summertime, cotton is real breathable. Like if it was made out of like polyester, you know, something like that, like it'll still be breathable, but like not as much as 100% cotton is. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. So product quality, okay. Printful, I love it. Like I love it. It fits perfect, and this is a unisex size small, and this literally fits perfect on me. And they have shirts that start as low as $7.95. So get on that. Okay, guys, so I have my notebook right here, and the next thing I'm going to talk about is the fulfillment process. So I ordered my shirts May 19th. Today is the 28th. They told me my estimated delivery time was between May 31st and June 4th. And I was just like, ooh, that's kind of like a little long time or whatever. But, you know, it's still COVID going on and stuff like that. So I understand, you know, longer shipping times. But my order was actually sent out May 22nd. So like last Saturday. And May 27th, yesterday, is when it came. So honestly, I'm happy. They told me my estimated delivery time was going to be the 31st to June 4th. It came on the 27th. Like, okay, I love it. I love it. You don't got to wait that long. Print on demand. Boom. There it is. Show up at your doorstep. So the fulfillment time was good overall. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. And also for their product alignment, Printful has a lot. When I say a lot of categories, they have enough categories for you to start your business with no inventory. And like I said, I can do a whole nother video on how you can set up your store and sync your products, what you want, to your store, so you can start making some coins and providing your clientele with high quality products. So for men, they have t-shirts, windbreakers, hoodies, shorts, variety of things. For children, they have shirts, caps, hoodies, leggings, swimsuits, anything you can think of, really. They have for kids. For home and living, oh my gosh, y'all. So if you want to start like a home care line, if you want to put your artwork on some prints and sell it, they have that too. They have home decor, they have towels, blankets, like it's the bomb. They also have accessories like duffel bags, tote bags, jewelry, face masks, stickers, caps and hats, backpacks, fanny packs, all the accessories that you can think of that you will probably add to your store, they got it for you. And for women, they have crop tops, shirts, a little bikini set, leggings, and shorts. Y'all, when I tell you, Printful is literally the way to go to help you start your business, or even if you just want to buy something, y'all, this is the way to go. I'm telling you, this is the way to go. I am in love. I am in love. So this shirt is available, as well as other designs that I have created. They are available on my website right now, so you can go ahead and check it out. But overall, I will give working with Printful and designing, the whole designing process and the fulfillment process and everything, I love it. So thanks, Printful. And if y'all want to buy anything, make sure y'all use my link in the description box below so you can check out Printful and get used to it. So that concludes my video, guys. I just really wanted to come on here and show y'all my new t-shirt sample. So I will see y'all. Thank you for sticking with me through this whole video. And if you like that shirt, you already know where it's available at. I will see y'all in my next video.